Firstly, lay out all the different parts, ensuring everything is in there. You will also need a Phillips head and flathead screwdriver. Lay the back frame, B, down on a soft flat surface. Loosen the shelf supports, then slide them up the back frame. Put them approximately equal width apart and tighten them, but these can be adjusted later on. Slot the top and bottom connecting corner bars, C and D, onto the corners of the back frame and tighten with an Allen key. Slot the two side glass panels, E, into place between the top and bottom corner bars. Carefully place the front frame, A, on top of the back/side section. Tighten the fixtures using an Allen key. Put the black caps on all four bottom corners of the unit. Then screw the feet in until tight. Peel the stickers off the power cable kit, placing it on the top wood panel using the cover panel as a guide. Then take the two top lights out of their package and ensure they are nested in the round holes of the panel. Ensure the light cables are connected to the transformer. Use the white cable clips to control the wires and keep them neat. Make sure everything's connected properly and put in the right place. Once the top lights are on and everything is connected, place the cover panel onto the top of the cabinet. This will rest on the inner ridge. Place the four brackets, Q, over the pre-drilled holes in the top and bottom of the frame, then fix in place with the screws. Place the top caps on each four corners of the top of the unit. Thread the power cable through the cover panel. Slide the cover panel, J, onto the top of the cabinet. Carefully stand the cabinet upright. Slot the bottom wood panel, H, into place at the bottom of the cabinet. Use a flathead screwdriver to securely fix the shelf support. Then one by one, slot the shelves onto the shelf supports. If any of the shelf supports need moving, simply untighten, move to the desired location and tighten again. Screw the light fixtures into place along the front upright channels. Insert the hinge plugs, L, into the front frame. There should be two for the bottom and two for the top. Locate the right door hinges, N, and place a black hinge insert, P, inside each one. Place the anchor of the door hinge on the bottom of the door into the hinge plug. Place these on the top corners of the glass door panels and tighten the screws to form the doors. Place the door into the top hinge plug and slide into the bottom door hinge. Then tighten to make sure it's secure. Do this for both doors, then make sure the cabinet shuts properly, with no overlapping. Open the doors and place the lock O over the top corner of the left door. Ensure the black plastic insert is in place between the glass and the screws. Tighten the screws when in place. Take the rubber seal, W, insert into the side channels where the glass meets the frame. Use a lubricant to help ease the rubber in. If you require any additional assistance, don't hesitate to get in touch with our customer service team.